Hello there, and welcome to Crystal Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. And I do appreciate what you're about to do is like and subscribe to this channel. It is free, so thank you very much. What have I got for you today? Today I've got a 1953 Matchless G80 show-wing bike. Obviously these are a 500cc British motorcycle. I'm not too well versed on these, I have to say. So what we'll do a steady walk round, and we'll go from there. So yeah, like I say, in 2019 it won the Sleaford Motorfest. There's a little trophy there, comes with the bike, best in show bike. Also in 2019, prior to the show, it looks like it had a fairly extensive bit of an overhaul, wiring, mechanical side of it as well. Got some bits of paper and what have you, indicating that it had quite a bit of work done in 2019. And it is a nice bike. Like I say, it's a Matchless G80, 1953. I'm not going to do a start-up because it's been drained, etc., for storage type of thing. So and that goes along with quite a lot of the older bikes we've got in stock. We're unable to do start-ups. On these, but no, this is a nice looking bike. We have had it running, of course we have, and it does start and run smooth as. But a real nice, yeah, we don't get many of these, to be fair, these G80s. I like how it's still got the pump there as well. Odometer showing 5,060 miles. You know, no one has any ideas if that's genuine or not. So, back to the job in hand. Like I said, I've got a few bits and bobs of information with this bike. I've got the trophy, obviously, like I've shown you. And it's a nice looking bike in stock today. We can offer nationwide or international delivery on this bike. Finance, you'd have to give me a call on. Some of the finance companies don't mind financing these older vehicles. Some we do struggle with, so that's one we'd have to take on face value and have a look at just individually with your good selves. But yeah, we can, if you are after coming and looking at this bike, you're more than welcome. You know, just bob down, have a butcher's at it. We've got a lot of classics in stock at the moment. And yeah, that is a nice bike to anyone's collection. Or if you're just starting out collecting British bikes, that would be a nice addition. Yeah, nice bit of kit that. Nice bit of kit. What else can I tell you about it? Not much. So yeah, don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe. It's tax and test exempt for those that aren't aware of the situation in the UK. So basically all you have to do is insure it and use it, and away you go. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling, but that is the 1953 Matchless G80 in stock today. They're a 500cc and nice looking bike, show winning bike. Any questions, give us a call 01302 760 967, or you can email me crystalmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Like I say, alternatively, if you want to come down and look at the bike in person, more than welcome, always welcome. As always with all the bikes, if you're coming to look at something specific, give me a call before you're set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. And it'll also allow me to get the kettle on ready for you. And without further ado, I'm going to sign off. The skies are blue, it's red hot outside in the UK, and it's a rarity. Yeah, have a good day folks, stay safe out there, and hope to see you soon. Cheers!